Here is the thing that I want to say. Nobody in this world wants to pay you if you don't have value. The world will pay you more if you have more value. Okay, nobody cares about your certificates, your numbers. Nobody wants to pay for your certificates. If you don't have any certificates, nobody cares. Everybody cares about value. How much value you can provide through your service or product, they cares about that. So try to be a valuable person in the world. If you don't have any value, nobody cares about you, about yourself. Okay, if you can provide value through your product or service, the world will pay you more. Everybody wants to pay if you get some value through your product or service. So try to learn something, try to learn something valuable. Try to make some product valuable. Okay, that's why people will pay you. If you don't have value, nobody wants to pay you. So be clear. Nobody cares about your number. Nobody cares about your certificates. Everybody cares about value. So try to be a valuable person. That's all.